Hi Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at Comet Technology X brand 1:100 scale red triple speed. This is based on the TS Sinanju conversion kit, which is a full model kit. This is expected on the second quarter of 2025 for the release. This will be priced at around 199 RMB, roughly about $28 US. Please check your local store for the official pricing. This will be a full-on model kit complete with inner frame. The gold parts, thrusters, and power cables will be electroplated, which includes a full set of accessories, weapon, beam effects, parts, etc. And next on the list, we have now a knockoff for the Reborn 1:100 scale from the Gundam 0083 Stardust Memory Series. This is the GP04. This is the standard version RX-78 GP04G Gundam Prototype Unit 4 in 1:100 scale model. This will be a good pair to your Pesalis Solomon, which is also a 1:100 scale. Release date is tentative and the pricing is yet to be announced. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.